back no rich sena ye go back to stadium na nka ye hu bi fro concerning security a enke baba beka
ana wo ko hu den
mi hu nti sa kakra mi hu si sa e pa
ebi ni say
for instance ubeje di say rich se uto nsuo e wo VIP wa it is either say ubenum nsuo ni nyina na umfa constance nim ana say nsuo ni ti no ubeyi afi nsuo no so ansa na allow ma odi so na ko so auto bottled water even at the VVIP and I was seated at the VVIP almost been to me from nsuo ni nwura inside I say me yini ti no efi so because almost so say me sani ni ti ni free so a dia ka no entimi nya weapon bi a metimi dia pra wo bi
cause nsuo na bibi o man ti ni kata so
yes so now even at the VVIP crowd here rich the restrictions went as far as say yeah allow mumpo emma ebi mu mfa nsuo whether we ginitino emma ho se ma half town number some no nsuo a na mo ko room ho na mo ko no nsuo no ho na mo ja ho again there was a video bi a menim say Jeff ebetimi dey ato your screen so good rich say ofro kotoko VIP second floor na so you know obetimi video we e first floor ho na so video ni ya on man na osha white na nsa na red no e kotoko public relations officer ori asafo duku no na me koto asam ne so na me nim asam kura esi but utie nkomo na ekoso na the police were telling kotoko officials no including safudu duku say they are not going to compromise on something instructions say dia mo so mo fa me adwuma no no be adwuma
tebi asante etimi ka so
oh
ya man nko ne ade no
police for si da bi da minimum asam kro me ka say minimum asam kwa na me boa me ko to ade no so but from enkomona no mudi no what the police kept on saying is say no chairman ne dabi ye the man be adwuma rich I know I saw an improved environment when it comes to security in Canada very improved and I've called other colleagues from other centers omo catch me say look the only Baba Sports Stadium no it is the same thing and yes so yeah observe here including say rich and no say unya akonya supporters kakra na ebe pioni didi nkomo na obu so mo about security rich no mu dia dance say center see ya na academia no ye beba na security dia e kedu say at least your game no will be friendly before I made them no be see on security no rich unim me gidi say and you just making sure all the protocols are followed no enkwana ye to share free police for no ye nim say dia one day ye benye nipa bonifo bia which omode mra be show mo say stadium ho if any of such issues eba yes say police for no omo arresting go for that is the next thing we will demand from them say the omo ye am stadium why akono but aye dia obenye obi a ono de oye nipa boni ni obe na you say oh me de mra be show me say mebo obi ani so me pia obi so obi yes let us see that person arrested.
So you say more clubs no. Ma sign ma tro. Ma jia to me say
yes.
Se mo ko stadium. Na support bi a mo susu say wono ne di boni bi no. Clubs ne be boa me a che.
Am ye che no. Mo be yi ma.
Yen krokro ne bio.
Yes.
You say clubs ne mo anam sign.
Good. And tip or say police for me who say say media for be report it. Say stadium way obi akoye tutua sebo ho which it shouldn't take us a lot of minutes ya fantat was say enipa ko no dis ade no police ni hu no wache no and na kwa sha ba kukumu that is the next level of ade ayewe onum say the house of okoye rich say emane bo mu a House will be 520,000. It is kind of 200 million.
For allowing unaccredited supporters
into the safe zone. And no say sanity. So ubuswa 20,000, 200 million. And it's a house of court. Now rich, omudo manu di kotu. Muna say anko ye na ebo omo a 20,000 umbetia. Now rich, kakrebi on the games. Look, many young apostle coach ni adwene ni game plan amfa na opeso frustrate has and to some extent who has first goal no say who say na the boniface go maf mili as a petre na ball ko net nim. It was very very good say has nya goal in that manner. Born animation. Dem who yan say young apostle for came into the game very very aggressive. Oman you say omani has for no omani be call boot for boot omani see no much. Now omu you could clearly see Haas wanted to find a way to score goals. And obi on Facebook this is the first goal na Haas say it was a set piece cross into the box. And Kunedu Yadom Hamza mo any a woman attack the ball. A could be an ball on vessel better line, yeah, no more a better line. After scoring this goal, Rich Enema game Mubier, and I was very, very impressed with Hussein. I was in the middle of the park for Accra House of Folk. And this is the first time I reached Mention House gamer. Coach Watara went in and transfer 1 minute cry. He was on his feet, issuing instructions because the last game and has abo before that game was on elimination from the FA Cup. Until now there's every pressure say has and direction now is on the league. Then I think say Hamza Isa Ebwa Omo Emma has enya the second goal. Very good victory for Accra House of Folk. And when I'm Baba Sports Stadium Rich. Men who Legon City see. And it was because a lot of our key players were injured. And when Dybala Mungina and Bogi Mnibi.
Then you're breaking up.
Dabi. They were injured. Ankasa. But I think, say, Rich, Kotoko and Lucy omu shape. And yet omu sharpness. Shape no more the bubble. From Ablo to Samba to Patrick Esiedu. And why you quote new guy in the ball too. Later, or changing another one, so ever boy in the middle of the park, even without Justice Blay, you would tend to do any menu 6 and 8 with Babaya as Kotoko number 10. And Aminu Aqua Wapra, and she then came in Awuche with Saka Dauda and Akwame Poku. And she so Kotoko game now. Now you'll be a Kotoko games previously. Kotoko and Lucy shape no more the bubble. So 4-2-3-1 no. Kotoko Lucy ye. The young Kaka was that Rich breaking them rustiness Kakaba. Yes, but at least the channels now Kotoko the bubble. And almost the same. Now, I observe something, Mamenka. Penalty the buyer. I will change the cover on the first. No so bebo. Who's about to know he has not been lucky Wakotoko. The performance in Nkuyi on share go cry in any official match. Now, Rich, I go for a penalty this over bono. And I come Pukuba say, oh, no, a penalty taker. It's over one, man. South America, so park so. So, Mintako can say, Kwampugu say, oh, Saucha, Fanas or so or person or the confidence. You are in a umbo and a Kwampugu, okay, no problem. And here, Uncle Son umbo. Rich, Saubakaya, penalty no, not Lagos cities for no, and you to say a penalty, papa. Because penalty was taken by the assistant referee. And in Lagos cities for no, aqua assistant referee, so. Enemy dear Chinie, Rich, me who say instruction from the bench. Aqua Kotoko Park and say, I would in for penalty in Emma, the penalty taker. Because Satan, so now Baba posted on us game in Libya. No Kotoko lead one there, but now one goal no shaky because now Lagos City is for no bad game ni mu kakra. So Coach Ogum wanted to make sure say the best taker takes the penalty and score. And I would say the ball no Emma Kwame Poku. Now Rich, because the penalty was delaying, you know. Again, you could see say minimum you are convinced bench him. They thought, oh, Senko and Kauche crowd boy to boost his confidence. After they were telling Auche to go back for the ball, Auche say yeah. Yenya dia Kwame Poku ndie. Yenya Kwame Poku emo na oboshe. Rich, game na nke ya dia makotoko no. Na Ogum ntia. Look, born now born, Ubo 4-2-3-1 with Baba Yaya as a number 10 behind no striker. And because Baba Yaya typical number 10 inti, the link up near. Rich, Baba Yaya. Now the Isaac Minta, who is a no striker. Abba, onye number 10 inti, on to me holding on to the ball. And it's already Kotoko Baba Yaya film. I thought na Ebia Iman and Chineba. Like for like, number 10 a film, number 10 aba. But the moment Odi Mintabaye no na fe kotoko 4-2-4 only 2 midfielders intended do any menu and 4 strikers ewa ni mo Saka down the near Awuche near Kwame Poku and Isaac Minta and so we na afe no na tokro bia ba beda kotoko midfielders no any o attacking in them and that was a space na Lagos City for after to say omu dominate o ha e ma pressure e be to kotoko so kakra Rich. Look, Coach Ogum ye nyina nipa. But what has Emmanuel Entry done to him? The guy with his talent deserves to be playing. No matter what's in the attitude at here. It is about results on the pitch. It is me details there, but I think that if there is an issue, they should be able to resolve it.
Okay.
And also the dance park, Ekome.
Nations.
And it was very, very significant for Baby and Go Stars Rich.
Okay.
Because after the game in the Babaso, near the car say, Nations is stubborn. So about Homer. And it was a game. Now, Baby needed to win because Omo Nhyira Kotoko Lagos and has already won. Rich Amal League in the Moy there. Bekum Chelsea so share Lions or Tiani ye.
But and it's something for a man game no. Omo mo home.
No, so mo dance pa.
He say omo free instructor omo dance pa.
Baby any.
Ebe something for
security.
Security there.
Special one among
Special one. Go say I one team asema warm.
So
even omo players kra na target. Ti ebe something for say hard of omni summer text no. We the security kra first mo ye na bia 200 gram nyan 400. Na confirm bia.
I'm from
maybe. Okay.